Okay, so continuing on with Chapter 1, Lesson 3, if you're just needing some more extra practice about unit rates, we're going to go over just a couple more problems and you can work through them if you feel like you just need a little extra help, a little extra practice. So, up to you again. No, I'm not going to judge you if you don't. If you feel like you've got it, perfect. If you just want to go over a couple more problems, here we go. So on page 35, again, I'm looking at my notes. So see, sometimes I make mistakes when I look at my notes to go into my book, as the last video showed that if you watched that one. So 72 ounces in 6 steaks. So we're going to go ahead and write 72 over 6, and you can write ounces in steaks. And knowing 72 and 6, a unit rate, remember we're going to try to get that unit rate, meaning we're going to get that denominator down to 1. If we can't get it down to 1, then really it's a fraction. Okay, it just stays how it is. So 72 ounces of steak or 72 ounces in 6 steaks. We know that we can divide each of these by 6 because the greatest common factor of 72 and 6 is 6. So that's going to be 12 over 1. So that really means 12 ounces per steak, and I want you to make sure you write that down. 12 ounces per steak. Okay, so in one steak there's 12 ounces. 162 water bottles, put WB, over 9 cases. I know that I can divide each of these by 9, and if I didn't know that, over on this side I can do 162 and divide it by the factors of 9, which is 1, 3, and 9. Obviously, you don't want to do 1, it's going to be the same, but you could try 3 and you could divide by 9, or you can start off dividing by 3 as well. So 162 divided by 9, which if you were to do it over here, now I know the answer, but this is always good to review, divide. So that is going to, oops, there we go. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Oh, I just messed up. Okay. Oh. There we go. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's not that one. Let's try that again. Okay. 162 divided by 9. I am so sorry, this happens all the time. Okay, 9, and I subtract 16 minus 9 gives me 7, and I'm going to bring that 2 down, and then I get 8 because I know that 9 times 8 is 72. There we go. See? I don't know. Sometimes it just does funky things on me. I don't know why. All right, so 18. So 18 water bottles per 1 case. So 18 water bottles per 1 case. Okay, cool, right? I love it. All right, we're going to do number 3. Oh, is it going to move for me? Oh my gosh, this thing's so touchy. There we go. Okay, Marcella divided 40.8 gallons of paint among 8 containers. How much paint is in each container? So 40.8 gallons of paint into 8 containers. All right, I know that I can divide each of these by 8, which gives me 5.1 over 1. So 5.1 gallons of paint per 1 container. Okay, and if you're not sure about the division on that, I mean, you can come over here, divide it by 8, put that decimal point up, 5, 0, drop down that 8. 8 goes into 8 once. See how that works? So 5.1. So there's some more examples for you so that you can see what a unit rate is.